Okay, so to do a treble increase, treble crochet, we're going to yarn over twice and we're going to insert our hook into our next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull off 2 at a time. So pull through the first 2, second 2, and third 2. Then we're going to double or wind our yarn around twice, 2 yarn overs, can't talk, and go back into that same stitch. So right where we worked our last stitch, pull up a loop and work off 2 at a time again. So a treble increase is just working as many stitches as they tell you into the stitch that they tell you. So again, oops, I'm only doing a double here. Make sure you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, then yarn over twice again and go back into that same stitch, and pull up a loop, and work off 2 at a time again. So that is the super fast stitch refresher for the treble increase. If you have any questions or you need to see it slower and more in depth, check out my treble increase videos, and thank you for watching.